I would not want to rush this video, so please just bear with me. All right, thank you. All right, so in this video you see that on your screen you see that the market is clearly on a downtrend. One of the key things you need to understand is, first of all, order flow. What is order flow? Order flow is basically the flow of the market. Basically, is the market on a downtrend or an uptrend? So you bear with me, let me take you through the journey. So this is if the market is on an uptrend, it's print series of higher low, higher low, like this. So you see the flow of the market is going up, then the market is coming down, clearly series of lower low, lower high. So this is basic market structure. You're a trader and you don't know this, I guess. Yeah. So basically this is it. And one of the things you need to now understand is the concept of validation and invalidation. So validation, invalidation. So when the market is on an uptrend, the market tends to take out the highs of the market, takes out the high, then leaves the low protected. I don't know if that makes sense. So this is what we call validation, meaning if a market is taking out the high, it's validating the uptrend. The market is taking out the low, it's validating the downtrend. So this is your validation for a downtrend, this is your validation of an uptrend. For the other, for the down is the invalidation for the uptrend, then the up is the invalidation for the downtrend. I don't know if that makes sense. So price is not supposed to take out this invalidation. You understand? So this is the first thing you need to first understand. I hope this makes sense. Please, you can watch the video over and over again to understand this. I just want you to get this. So that being said, let's go into this. So you must understand order flow first. You must have seen the order flow of the market. You must have seen that market is seriously on a downtrend previously. Look at previous price actions. Maybe you would have seen clear, moves like this, or maybe a singular time frame. Let's say on a 1 hour time frame or on a 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, you clearly see that prices have been giving you a series of validations to the downside and all that, right? So now you must understand that, and also after that you'll not see that why I drew this. After seeing your previous validation and your invalidation, you now see another validation again that gave you a clear structural view, in the sense that there was a strong high, protected high, a sweep of this level, and a sweep break to the downside, and price give you a clean structural liquidity. This is what you want to be looking out for. If you see this, you see your structural liquidity, your validation, your invalidation, and you see your POI, let's say your other block here resting above here, is a good setup, is an A+ setup. I assure you, it's an A+ setup. And you take your trade from the level and you TP here. I hope this makes sense. So let's go to our chart to show you. So this is the first example I'll be showing you. See the clear previous price action have been, that's what I said about order flow. You must know the order flow of the market have been bearish, and now give us another clear bearish trend, but then giving us our structure that we want to be looking out for. And what happened? Price came all the way back there and sold. Over and over, you can see this over and over again on the chart, just by mere looking at these things. So let's go. Let me show you another one. So like I said, check the order flow of the market previously. Let me use V100. So on V100, you see clearly on this trade I'm currently on, price have been clearly giving us series of validations to the downside, breaking market structure to the downside, and what happened? Price gave us an internal validation, which was this validation and invalidation. And now what happened here? You see price giving us printing a strong high here. So you see printing a strong high here, and the internal structure is the structural liquidity is in the internal structure. The price came all the way, took it out, and we're dropping here. I don't know if that makes sense. So that is it. Let's look at this. So all right, let's look at this. You see price gave us a precursor to the up previously. Now if you look at this level, that's the order flow. You see the order flow have been bullish. If you look at this level, price now clearly gave us a sweep and a break to the upside, kind of the structure we want to be looking out for. And this is your structural liquidity, this is your protected low. And what happened? Price came into the order block clearly, and we would be buying from here, or even from here, the first buy. And your stop loss will be at your invalidation, and you'll be targeting here. So this happens almost all the time. This happens almost all the time. Okay. So first of all, you must check the order flow. Check the order flow like this. The order flow have been bearish, clear break to the downside, giving you our pattern again, which was break of that high, sweep, structural liquidity. What now happened? This was our structural liquidity, right? And price now what came all the way to the other block here, and what happened was selling all the way down here. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe if you want more content like this, and tell me something that you want me to do video, any concept that you want me to do video about. You don't understand how to do these things, just comment. Please like, share, subscribe. God bless you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends and family. Thank you. God bless you. See you on the next one.